Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to import Google Contacts on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to import Google Contacts to your iPhone, just open the Settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from here in the search bar, just search Contacts. Now from here, tap on Contacts. Now from here, tap on Contacts Accounts. Now from here, tap on Add Contact. Now just select Google. Now from here, just enter your Gmail address. Now from here, once you have entered your Gmail address, just tap on Done. Now from here, tap on Next. Now from here, just enter your Gmail address password. Now from here, once you have entered the password of your Gmail address, just tap on Next. Now from here, tap on Continue. Now from here, tap on Continue. Now from here, make sure you enable Contacts. Now once you have enabled Contacts, just tap on Save. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the Dialer app. Now from here, go to Contacts. Now from here, you can check the contacts which you have imported from your Google account. And this is how you can import Google Contacts to any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.